Guys, this is wild. I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon GO Spoof for iOS and Android. So this works 2026. You're going to be so rich because you can go any Pokemon you want. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So if you're tired of being a guy with no Pokemon and stuff and stuck in your town, then keep watching the video. And I'm going to show you how to get the Pokemon GO Spoofer for iOS and Android. So let's go into the tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So this is super cool, guys. So let's just see what happens. Alright, so here it is. Look at this joystick. I got the bar. So this is wild. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download it. So you can change your settings, and look at this. All these options. So this is super cool, guys. So if you want to get a Pokemon GO Spoofer for your device, keep watching the video. I'm going to show you how to download it. So as you can see, look at this. You can actually change our speed. So this is super cool. So yeah, let's get into the guide, and I'm going to show you how to download it. So as you can see, you can walk around with the joystick. So that's super cool. So we need to know the Pokemon trainer code, okay? So this is very important, because a lot of people don't know it, so make sure you know it. And now I'm going to take you to the website. Alright, so this is the website, guys. So it's called ispoofpogo.net. So once you're on the site, it's going to be a button that says inject spoofer now. So you just want to press that, and you can read about it. As you can see, it's very updated and stuff, but I don't really care about that. I just want to download it. So let me just press it, and then before it loads, it's going to ask for the trainer code in the platform. So make sure you guys go ahead and put that in. So let me just enter it right here, and then I'm just going to press continue. And before it loads, there will be something that says, like, do you want the full edition or the custom edition? So this doesn't matter to me, but it might be something you want to know. I don't want the custom one. So I'm just going to do the full edition. So let's just wait for this to load, and as you can see, it says initializing. So I'm just going to let it load up, as you can see. So I'm just going to wait for this to finish, and we should be good to go. Alright. Okay, here we go, guys. Pretty fun. So now it says I'm not a robot, and I'm just going to go ahead and press this, and we'll see if it goes through. So let's see if it works, and maybe. So it failed, so I'm going to go ahead and try again. So let me just do that, and there it is. Maybe it's going to work now. Let's see. So it worked, guys, so be sure to try it out. It's super cool. So that's how I get Pokemon GO Spoofer for your device. So I've been many days searching, and this is the only spoofer I could find that's legit. So yeah, you get all the settings. So this is super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to try it out. There's no jailbreak needed. So as you can see, we got all the options. So this is super cool. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super cool. So look at that joystick. I mean, this is crazy. So yeah, have fun, guys. No computer needed. So if this video works for you, definitely go ahead and tell your friends. This is super wild. You can change your speed, as you can see. So I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool. And if this video works for you, definitely go ahead and tell your friends. But yeah, have fun and peace out.